Hey guys, welcome back to Swords and Others, and today I got a guest with me. It's my buddy Dylan. Today we're going to be shooting the Gamma Rocket air gun, and it has 212 feet per second, I believe.
It has 1250.
1250. I'm not good at remembering. And we're shooting this ammo, Crossman Destroyer X250. It's a 177 cal. So Dylan's going to be shooting at that water bottle down there. I'll get a closer view when he's done shooting. I don't want to be downrange.
I'm going to try to shoot the cap off. Don't know if that's going to work too well.
So here we go. Let's go check it out. Note, we've already shot this bottle a couple times.
Right.
You hit it.
I hit it right here.
Right there.
Hit it right here. And it exited over there. I was trying to aim for here, so didn't work too well.
Yeah. We'll take another shot.
As you can see, we took a couple of practice shots and kind of tore.
Yeah, it had water in it. It did have water in it. I guess we should have saved that for the video. It would have been easier to see. It's alright. Okay, we're going to take another shot. See if we can get a little more accurate.
Alright, take two.
Ooh. Let's go see where he hit it this time. Ooh.
Ooh, I got closer.
You got closer.
That's the exit. There's the entrance. Yeah, I got a lot closer.
Alright guys, we're not going to waste your time all day by us getting a pinpoint shot. I hope you enjoyed the video. That's Dylan, I'm Aiden, and thanks for watching Swords and Others. Take care.